Hook on school is back. New classes, new projects, endless exams. And everyone says the same thing. I don't have enough time. But here's the truth. Time isn't the real problem. The problem is how you study. If you change your approach, you can cut your study hours in half while doubling your results. Let me show you 7 powerful hacks that can transform the way you learn. Hack 1. The 25-minute focus rule. Studying for 3 hours straight sounds productive, but it's actually a trap. After just 30 minutes, your brain loses focus. The solution? The 25 to 5 method. Study with deep focus for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Do this 4 times and you've studied 2 solid hours without mental burnout. It's like a workout for your brain. Short, intense, and effective. Hack 2. Write, don't just read. Here's the secret. Passive reading makes you forget fast, but active learning makes knowledge stick. When you study, don't just stare at the page. Write down the key points in your own words. Explain the concept out loud like you're teaching a friend. Writing and speaking force your brain to build stronger connections so you remember longer. Hack 3. Focus on 3 priorities a day. Most students make the same mistake. They try to cover everything at once. 10 subjects, one day. The result? Overwhelm and zero progress. Instead, every morning, choose only 3 key topics. Study them deeply. By the end of the day, you'll feel real progress, not frustration. Remember, quality beats quantity. Hack 4. Test yourself. Don't just review. Rereading notes feels safe, but it tricks your brain into thinking you've mastered the material. Real learning happens when you test yourself. Close the book. Ask yourself questions. Try to recall the answers without looking. The struggle is the magic. Your brain strengthens the memory when it has to work for it. Hack 5. Create a consistent study space. Your brain is like a computer. It runs on signals. If you study in bed one day, in the kitchen the next, your brain stays confused. But when you always study in the same spot, your mind starts to recognize this place equals focus mode. Over time, simply sitting in that space triggers concentration. Hack 6. Manage energy, not just time. Here's the truth. Time doesn't guarantee results. Energy does. When you're exhausted, 1 hour of studying is worthless. But with full energy, 20 minutes can be life-changing. Before you study, drink water. Take a short walk, get some sunlight, eat whole foods. Protect your energy, and your brain will give back 10 times more. Hack 7. The 5-minute night review. This is my favorite hack. Before bed, spend just 5 minutes reviewing what you learned today. Science shows your brain processes new information while you sleep, turning it into long-term memory. Those 5 minutes might be the difference between forgetting everything and acing your exam. Success in school doesn't come from studying longer. It comes from studying smarter. These 7 hacks are simple, but if you apply them daily, they can change the way you learn forever. Now the question is, out of these 7, which one will you try first?